Celery is a versatile and nutritious vegetable that is low in calories and high in fiber. It contains essential vitamins and minerals, making it a popular choice for those seeking a healthy diet. However, there are certain individuals who may need to exercise caution or avoid celery altogether due to various health conditions or sensitivities. 1. Allergies. Individuals with allergies to celery should avoid consuming it. Celery allergies are not uncommon and can range from mild to severe. Symptoms may include itching, swelling, hives, or even more severe reactions like difficulty breathing. In extreme cases, celery allergy can lead to anaphylaxis, a life-threatening allergic reaction. 2. Kidney problems. Celery contains oxalates, naturally occurring substances that can crystallize and form kidney stones in susceptible individuals. Those with a history of kidney stones or kidney-related issues may be advised to limit their intake of high oxalate foods, including celery, to reduce the risk of stone formation. 3. Blood clotting disorders. Celery has natural anticoagulant properties, meaning it can interfere with blood clotting. Individuals with blood clotting disorders or those taking blood-thinning medications, like warfarin, should be cautious with celery consumption, as it may increase the risk of bleeding. 4. Digestive issues. Some people may experience digestive discomfort, such as bloating or gas, when consuming raw celery. This can be attributed to the high fiber content in celery. Individuals with irritable bowel syndrome, IBS, or other gastrointestinal conditions may need to monitor their intake of raw celery and consider cooking or juicing it to make it more digestible. 5. Thyroid disorders. Celery contains certain compounds called goitrogens that can interfere with thyroid function. While cooking can reduce the goitrogenic effect, individuals with thyroid disorders, especially hypothyroidism, may want to moderate their raw celery intake. It's advisable for them to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized dietary guidance. 6. Pregnant women. Pregnant women should be cautious about consuming excessive amounts of celery, especially if it's part of their regular diet. Celery can act as a diuretic and may contribute to increased urine production, potentially leading to electrolyte imbalances. It's essential for pregnant women to maintain a balanced diet and consult with their healthcare provider for dietary recommendations. 7. Medication interactions. Celery, like many foods, can interact with certain medications. For example, individuals taking medications for high blood pressure should be aware that celery may have a mild hypotensive effect. It's crucial to discuss dietary habits, including celery consumption, with a healthcare professional to avoid any adverse interactions with medications. In conclusion, while celery is a nutritious vegetable with numerous health benefits, it may not be suitable for everyone. Individuals with allergies, kidney problems, blood clotting disorders, digestive issues, thyroid disorders, pregnant women, and those on specific medications should exercise caution and, if necessary, consult with healthcare professionals to determine the most suitable dietary choices for their unique circumstances.